Sabi nila, first impression is the most important factor when meeting people. Honestly, noon, takot akong marap sa tao. Kasi feeling ko, I am not attractive, walang charm, and not presentable enough to meet people. As in, I'm not into social gatherings talaga. Not until one of my friends told me about the Pretty You, kung paano nakatulong sa kanya yung pag-aalaga ng the Pretty You. With the Pretty You, hindi ka lang bibigyan ng skincare tips and regimen, they will also teach you to have a positive outlook in life. Life and skincare coach in one sila. Now, grabe yung taas ng social battery ko anytime, anywhere dahil sa confidence na binigay sa akin ng the Pretty You. Ngayon, sumasali na ako sa mga pageants and naging ambassadress na din ako ng iba't ibang brand.